Hey and welcome to this short tutorial on how to create a custom Bitcoin address easily and for free on the site I linked in the description. You can do this by simply entering your desired prefix. You can also select the case-sensitive option, which ensures that, as in this example, the prefix letters will be uppercase and not lowercase. Once you're done, click on Start Search. It generates pretty quickly, and now we have our custom Bitcoin address with our unique pattern. Additionally, you can include numbers or use numbers only in your custom prefix for the Bitcoin address. To add this new custom Bitcoin address to your wallet, you'll need to enter the private keys into your Bitcoin wallet so you can use it. I've included some guide links in the description on how to do this. Remember, do not share your private keys with anyone for your safety. This tool has also been featured in MSN with an article that discusses the Bitcoin Vanity Address Generator, which helps create custom Bitcoin addresses. I hope I could help you with this. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.